solve 2t squared minus 5t equals 0. We're going to begin by factoring in order to, if we can, and we can factor out a common factor t, and we factor in order to use the principle of zero products. So we have t times 2t minus 5 equals 0. The two factors here are t and the binomial factor 2t minus 5. So we set t equal to 0, or 2t minus 5 equals 0 by the principle of zero products. This is already solved for t. Over here we add 5 to both sides. We have 2t equals 5. Divide both sides by 2, and we have t equals 5 over 2. We have two solutions, 0 and 5 halves. Both of them check in the original equation. So we can say that the solutions are 0 and 5 halves.